Hi children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today our amazing assignment is Chapter 2, the 4 operations from that exercise 2.6. You can refer textbook page number 55 and 56. I will do first one, fill in the blanks. So here 5290 is divided by dash equal to 529 is given. So you know that one, what we call this number? This is the dividend. Coming to this one, divisor, and the answer of the division problem is quotient. We know here dividend and quotient. We have to find the divisor. Okay, so while divide, dividend and quotient, we get divisor also. Means 5290 is divided by 529. If you divide 5290 divided by 529, you will get divisor. What you have to find, that number you will get. So here 500, you can observe here 529, and here also we have 529, except in one place we have 0. So here how many times already you know. We have to start from left to right. Okay children. So here we can find one time. We can divide one time and this 0 will be left. So 10 times. So if you divide 5290 with 10, you will get 529. So what is the missing number here? 10. If you divide with 10, so you have to remove last digit. You have to remove last digit. What you will get? 529 as the quotient. Got it children? Coming to next one. 91,526 divided by 91,526. Here you can observe here dividend and divisor are same. Dividend or divisor are same. So a number dividing with itself. What did you get? 1 as the quotient. 1 as the quotient. So the answer is 1. Next, find the quotient and the remainder. So here, what is that one? First one, 3,72,632 is divided by 10. 3,72,632 is divided by 10. While dividing, ending with zeros. Suppose ending with 0. 1 0 means one number, means one digit remove from the given number. From right to left. From right to left. Here 10 is given. So one number we have to remove. This will be considered as the remainder, and remaining digits are quotient. Okay children, remaining digits will be quotient. So the quotient will be 37,263 and remainder is 2. Remainder is 2. Next one, 9,21,500 is divided by 100. So how many zeros are there here? 2 zeros. So how many digits we have to remove in given dividend? 2, because here 2 zeros are there. 2 places we have to remove. So these 2 places we have to remove. That will be considered as the remainder, and the remaining digits will be the quotient. So the quotient is 9,250 and the remainder is 0. Here zeros are there. So we can write remainder as 0. While dividing 9,21,500 is divided by 100, you will get quotient as 9,250 and the remainder as 0. Coming to next one. A car driver travelled a total of 66,185 kilometers in 217 days. How many kilometers does he travel in a day if he travels the same distance every day? So a car driver can travel total distance 66,185 kilometers in how many days? 217 days. So we have to find one day how much distance he traveled, we have to find. So total distance is 66,185 kilometers. Okay, so in how many days? 217 days. So what we have to find here? we have to find in a day how much distance or how much he traveled. We have to find in a day. Okay. So first, what is the step? A car driver traveled. So the distance, the total distance, a car driver travels. The total distance is 66,185 kilometers. Okay, and how many number of days here? The number of days are 217 days. Number of days equal to 217 days. 217 days. So what we have to find? We have to find how many kilometers does he travel in a day. So in a day equal to, so we know total distance and number of days. We have to find the in a day how much kilometers, means how many kilometers or how much distance he covered in a day. We can find. How to that one? 66,185 is divided by 217. You will get that the distance covered by him in a day. We can get it. Or how many kilometers does he travel in a day? You will get it. Okay, children. So here 66,185 is divided by 217. So we are following 5 steps for doing the long division method. So what are that? We have to find the first, identify the numbers, identify the number of digits in divisor, and as well as how many digits we have to take in dividend also. So your 3-digit numbers are given. So we have to take 3-digit number. So already we know that one here 661 is greater than 217. So we can divide. So what is the next step? We have to multiply with divisor. Means how many 217s are there in 661. Then we have to subtract. Then we have to bring down the number. Next number. Okay, children. So first, how many 217s are there in 661? We have to find. So can we take approximately 3 times? See, children. If we are taking approximately 3 times, multiply with 3 into 217. 3 sevens are 21. 2. 3 ones are 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 twos are 6. 651. So can we take 3 times here? Can we take 3 times here? Yes. So here, where we have to write? We have to write here 3 217s are 651. Now subtract. 1 minus 1 is 0. 6 minus 5 is 1. 6 minus 6 is 0. Now bring down the digit. 108. 108. So can we divide here? Can we divide 108 is divided by 270? No, we cannot divide because 108 is less than 270. Yes. So how many times we can take? We cannot take. So it will be 0 times. Okay, children. So we can take now next digit. We can take next digit 5. So now how many times we can take approximately? Can we take 5 times? So now multiply 217 into 5. 5 sevens are 35. 3. 5 ones are 5 plus 3 is 8. And 5 twos are 10. So here exactly 5 times. 5 270s are 1085. 1085. Now subtract, you will get 0 as the remainder. 0 as the remainder. This will be the quotient. And this is the dividend. And this is the divisor. Now how much distance he covered? 305 kilometers. Means 305 kilometers he covered in a day. 305 kilometers. 305 kilometers he covered in a day. So, what did you get last one? Hence 305 kilometers does he travels in a day. Does he travels in a day? Got it, children? Once again practice. Thank you.